Hey guys, G123 here. I am so happy right now. So, I have possessed axe. You're probably wondering, where's my bone axe? Well, I traded that bone axe with Fairy, which probably wasn't a good deal, but this game isn't about getting rare knives, it's about getting the knives you want. So, I got this. Before this game started, I actually traded. And he said you overpay. Yeah, I overpaid by one exotic. In Bone Axe, I don't even very like. It may look cool, but I'd rather have this because it's older and I like it better. Holy crap, this is like my dream! But I'd rather have the other axe. Yes. I won. That's pretty good. I got the bone axe and then I traded it the next day. Because I don't care about the values right now. I have possessed axe, and people will pay so much for this. I've been trying to get it all day, and somebody actually was dumb enough to trade me. Even though it's worth the exact same as Bone Axe, I don't care. Bone Axe is still good. Well, it's not as good as Possessed Axe, because you can't. Bone Axe you could just get, and it's gonna lower, but Possessed Axe won't. So, by the time, like, maybe a week, it will go down to, like, 6, like Neptune. And that would be a good trade for me! Like, so, through reality, I have the Bone Axe. Well, why am I saying Bone Axe? Possessed Axe. That's Possessed Axe. Oh. Why did it say wrong player? Like, that's weird. Backflip. Got me. I'm just looking at this thing, and it's basically like Corrupted Axe, but this is older. This one is cool too. It's not as good though. But when I tried Bone Axe, I didn't really like it. I had Holiday Blade, so I was just playing the game, and if I didn't come on here, I wouldn't have this Possessed Axe in my inventory. They said you overpaid. Yeah, I overpaid by one exotic. So what? If I want the knife, I want it. It's a possessed axe. Like when I first saw this from my friend, he told me, "Oh, this is a really good knife." I was like, he was we were noobs back then, so he said possessed axe was better. But yeah, when I got this, I was so happy. I didn't know the values back then, so I got scammed, so I didn't have anything good. I said I wanted an Ice Ancient because they were giving away free mythics. I got scammed, and it wasn't a very good mythic, so I didn't really know the values, guys. Oh! Death by possessed axe. It's even cooler because I have the dual wield effect, too! Oh! You guys are probably like jelly or something. No, I'm just kidding. You guys, some of the people watching this probably have like Skeleton Kings and stuff, and I'm just here with my silly possessed axe. Hey. Hi. GG. He's like, haha, GG. He's like, I'm not upset at all. I suck at the game. Yeah, I'm way better than you. I have to use my turtle pet, because I love my turtle. Yes. I've been waiting for this boat to at least have an axe, and I didn't. My goal is over! Ah, no! Mind blocks, boy! Mind blocks, boy. We've been rivals for like 5 minutes now. And I am still the best in this server. Probably going for Minecraft. What? Oh. This is the best day ever I've ever had an assassin. Possessed axe! This is like when I first got when I got my first exotic. I had like 30 rares and like I made them all into an exotic, which was actually an earthen blade. But I didn't realize that that was good, and I needed it later for a mythic. So I traded away for an Emerald Knight, which is this one. Still have it. Then I made another exotic, which is a Crescendo, and then I got scammed out of that. Never giving away this possessed axe. No, I can get the VIP later. I don't have VIP. I'm a sad human being. It's because I don't want to waste my Robux on that. I don't even get anything good. Yeah, sure, I get Doge, but that's the only thing that's actually good. You get a legendary, and you get 1.5 extra coins, like, sorry, XP, and you get, like, 2 more coins. Like, it's not very good. Why waste that much Robux when you could just buy the coins and buy all the cases and get, like, all of the stuff that you need? It's basically just a money grab. If you want to get the gold radio, that's your opinion, but I wouldn't there. I would just get the radio game pass and use the normal radio. Like, why waste all of your Robux? Why waste like 800 Robux when you could just waste 400? Like, it's not like you can just use all of your Robux. It's like not even a good idea to buy the VIP. There's not really any point, and it doesn't even help you that much. It doesn't even do anything. It's basically just a money grab, so I don't recommend getting it. Ah! I'm running away from these plebs. Oh. Alright. Bye. Oh. Oh, this is a battle to the death. I think this is gonna be the last round, guys. Oh, this guy's scared. Yeah. Yeah, the Elite case has some stuff to offer. Like, the only thing I would actually want if I'm trying to make, like, mythics, I would want these ones. But there's not really any point to get Proton. I mean, the mythics are good, just basically. Well, Wind Elemental is like one of the rarest mythics. Spider doesn't use it to make freaking dreams like I did with Spider. Basically, but I used Friezendo as well. And another Spider, so. I was only prestige like, what was it, 7? Yeah. I don't know how I got this stuff. I think I just spent all my money. I didn't have any exotics, I just had those mythics. And then I got better at the game, and now I have all this stuff. Possessed axe! I thought that was gonna be the last round, but I don't think I want it to be. I think I want to do a few more rounds. Ah! I'm scared! Ah! I'm scared of the unicorn. This guy got the unicorn wanted unicorns too, so 0 is worth it. Not Holiday Blade. He wanted Holiday Blade. It's like not worth it at all. Why would I trade Holiday Blade? I mean, I have the best knives on the server because none of these players are good. I'm sorry, it's the truth. If any of you are watching this video, well, they're not bad, but they're just not as good as me. I play more. I'm just gonna turn off my trades and stuff because I do not want to worry about this stuff during this recording. I just did this so I can show you guys that I traded for Possessed Axe, even though I overpaid by 1 exotic. I like this better, okay? I draw pictures of this in my spare time. Die. 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 Oh, frick. Wow. That first kill, though. Oh. Ah! I'm gonna die! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the noob killed me! This guy's a noob. He's gonna bite the dust. What? What? Why did that happen? She was just standing there, or he. I cannot tell. I think it's a boy. Yeah, it's a boy. It's funny. Shout out to this guy. This guy is funny looking. And he has a unicorn. I wish I had a unicorn! Nobody will accept my trade, because unicorn's, like, worth, like, an exotic in the legendary, so I will give them Doombringer and Infrared, because I'm not giving away Infernus or Galaxy, because those are my two most, actually, bombastic I like better than Infernus, but I still like Infernus. Galaxy is my most favorite legendary. I should name my YouTube channel, like, Galaxy Dragon, or something. Oh! I'm so scared of this guy! No, I'm not. This is easy. No, he hit me, so I guess I shouldn't go for him. Yeah, backflip's good. Oh, Grace Wolf is hiding like a pleb that he is. Oh, backflip. I think that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you all enjoy, and goodbye! Not sponsored at all.